on, folks? Hey, welcome back, y'all. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. And if you don't know, girl, you gonna know today. You know why? Because I'm about to tell you. We about to do a polygel nail setup in here. Okay, so I will be using the Beetles brand. But before I go off into this kit, girl, go in and tell mom and myself what I've done. Anyway, look, how y'all doing? How y'all nails doing? How y'all toes doing? Okay, come on, let's get started. Anywho, we'll be using, again, like I say, the Beetles brand. If I didn't say it, I'm saying it now, girl, because I'm talking too fast and I get a little confused. But that's what it is. It's the Beetles brand. Let me move my little arms out the way. Okay. Let me show y'all what is all up in this kit, girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever friend. You my friend. Anyhow, look, check it out. Girl, we got... I'm going to stop all that smacking my lips. That sounds so ghetto. Because I know I'm a little bougie ghetto up in here. I get a little bougie. I get a little ghetto sometimes. But you know how. It's just what it is. You know, okay. But anyway, look. We have these polygels right here, right? And I'm going to swatch them. We have 6 little 15 grams. Okay. We have a top coat, which is 7.5 mil. Okay. Anywho, girl, look at this. Look at all these goodies they give you in this kit. Girl, look. Can you see all these? Girl, and they give you a whole heap and whop of them, too. Girl, Beetles know... Girl, I love Beetles. Anyhow. Girl, look, they give you some stickers. Look at these pretty little nice little cupcake stickers. Anybody got sweet tooth? I'll show you getting one. They give you these here little tweezers up in here. These little dual forms. These are nice. These are... Oh, no. Okay. I thought they were stilettos, girl, but my ass playing tricks on me. No. Okay, so they're just regular dual forms, you know. If anybody watch the 100 videos that I done posted already on polygels, I do not use dual forms, okay? All right. Anywho, they give you a 100 by 180 washable, disinfectable nail file, which is nice. Which is very nice. Thank you. And they got their name on it. Go on, Beetles. Go on, Beetles, do your thing, do your thing. Okay, but they don't have the name on the picker and thing here, but that's okay. That's okay. We can't win them all. We can't win them all. Anywho, that's the picker on that side, for those who don't know. All right, and then you have the brush on that side. All right, okay. Moving on along. We also have some, girl, ooh, this some UV nail rhinestone gel. Okay, all right, 15 grand. Okay, Beetles. Okay, I see you. All right, y'all. Beetles is pushing through with these kids. Anyway, look, we have a slip solution here. This is a 15 mil. Okay. And then we also have a foundation base. All right. So, girl, let me go ahead. Excuse my nails. Okay. Because we're about to go ahead and get started. So, go and get you something to eat on, some drink on, girl. Let's sit down and watch this little video. Let's do some polygel nails, girl. Let's have some fun with this kit. I have no idea what I'm going to do here. And if you hear my chair squeaking or any type of way, please excuse that, because I am not losing my manners over here, girl. That's just what it is. It's just this chair. It is old, and I don't have no WD-40. So, yeah. I'm trying to figure out what nail tips I want to use here. But, let's get started, y'all. Alright, here's all 6 of the colors, girl. When I tell you these some beautiful colors, let me zoom in. Let me give you some of that. Let me give you some of that. Let me give you some of that. Girl, ain't they pretty? Girl, yeah. Come on, let's do some nails. Let's have some fun, y'all.